Hello, today I will show you an original USB Type-C connector. The brand is Xiaomi. I ordered it on gearbest.com. You can find the URL in description of this video, and today we will unpack it. In the original package we can find this little connector. It is a Type-C to micro USB. We can use it with laptop, with our mobile phones. It is original. You can find the description on this package. Here is it. It is a connector. We can use it with the cable, with such cable. For example, we can plug it into and use it with our mobile phones or laptop. So I wish you good luck and goodbye.